Cafe na to, aakalain mong nasa South Korea ka na. At dito sa latest hangout spot ng Pinoy foodie sa Quezon City, inalam ni Gelly Bea and Richard Quan kung bakit nga ba trending ang kanilang Korean-inspired dishes and desserts.
Welcome to the Aegyo Cafe. So the Aegyo Cafe is supposed to represent our brand, bring the experience of Seoul here in Quezon City. Here we like to feature art. So this one features the art of construction.
Okay.
So this is a skylight that represents where we started. So we started during the pandemic. It only means that we could be walls apart but always under the same sky. So we feature local artists as well. So for this one, the mugs that we actually have are made by artisans in CDO. So, and then also our furniture, right there we have a centerpiece made by Sir Randy Quaresma from Guagua, Pampanga. The pride of our cafe, the Columbus Award, we won the 2024 Best Cafe. So the founder of Columbus is kind of like Michelin of the coffee world. The founder, he's South Korean, and he's also the founder of Centone, the one that regulates scent. You know Pantone, parang for colors.
Okay.
Centone is for scents. It's really big in the coffee world. And they awarded us the Best Cafe 2024 Columbus Award.
Congrats.
Kamsahamnida.
Hello, Miss Colleen.
So here is our spam and sausage dosirak, served in the traditional dosirak that you will see in Seoul. So traditionally, they would break the egg into bite-sized pieces.
Bite size.
Yes.
May pa-shake-shake pa
So we
bago
shake
kayo.
it first.
I remember you mentioned violently.
Yes, violently.
Tapos i-ganyan daw para
Yes, yes.
bumagsak yung
One big tap.
Tama, tama.
Sorry!
Alright.
Ayan. Tada!
Smells good.
First bite.
So, kumusta? First Korean dish mo.
Halata naman po siguro, Sir Gop, sa pagkain ko. Hindi nyo na po
Oo,
ako makausap
exactly.
kakakain ko.
In-enjoy mo siya?
So here we have the Malagos Mocha Bonbon,
Thank you.
our Biscoff latte. A delicacy that we're trying to bring here from Seoul is the sweet goguma latte. Goguma means sweet potato. And we use actual Japanese sweet potatoes for this drink.
Okay. Oh, interesting yun ah.
Thank you. Yes. And then we call the mug goguma mug. Because it looks like a potato.
Okay.
Try natin to.
Enoki mushroom fries. Right. Sa mga mahilig sa fries, healthier choice. So, punta na kayo dito sa Aegyo. Healthier
naman
choice.
natin to,
Tapos
ate.
mas masarap pa sa fries para sa akin. Okay na yung snacks to ah. Diba?
Sweet siya, pero hindi mo mapagkakamalang, guguma.
Sarap siya. No? Ubusin ko na. Masarap siya talaga. Masarap dito ah. Seryoso ah. Okay, ano?
Sirain
itong-
na natin yung artwork
Oo nga.
nila.
Ang aking
Padayin
biscoff
lang po
latte. Creamy, tasty, at I'm sure magugustuhan ng maraming tao.
Pero hindi po mawala talaga sa panlasa
Ito pa rin ako.
ko, ano? Ito
Best
talaga,
drink.
guguma drink.
Ng 2025.
So here we have the kimchi arancini. So it's a kimchi risotto and cheese mozzarella ball. The rib eye with kimchi fried rice and gochujang butter. And of course, our bestseller, the mandu caramele with gochujang marinara.
I wonder kung gaano kahirap yung preparasyon nito, no?
Handmade daw po kasi
Kaya
yun,
nga.
Sir Gov.
So here we have, of course, our cakes. It's what built our building. We're best known for our desserts, and That's really how the brand started. The brand core was to send love with Aegyo cakes. So that's how you love people. And how I will send love to farm to table is through our decorated cakes.
Wow.
And then I will ask for your help for our last drink. So this is the Blizzard Brulee. Miss Jelly, please put the cheese foam on top. First, sir, put sugar. Just torch the brown sugar.
There. Food explorers, please watch and support My Ilonggo Girl Monday hanggang Thursday, 9:35 p.m. Starring
Jillian Ward and Michael Sager. Ako naman po si Gelly Bea Isorena, aka Daisy. Thank you!
You sure? Ako na?